Hello students, I'm your maths teacher Amit, and today we are going to do class 10th maths unit 9 exercise 9.1 question number 12. In this question we are given from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. We need to determine the height of the tower. So here we are given that observer is standing at the top of a 7-meter high building. So we have assumed CD is the building of 7-meter height and observer is standing here, and when he observe the top of the cable tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and from the same point when he observe to the bottom or foot of the tower, angle of depression is 45 degree. We have assumed the height of the tower is h meter. Now if we observe the diagram, this will be the straight line which is parallel to the horizontal level, and CB will act as a transversal. So this angle and this angle, these two angles will be equal by alternate interior angle. So this will also 45 degree. And as CE parallel to DB and they are perpendicular on the earth, so CDBE will be a rectangle. So this 7 meter is also equal to EB, that is 7 meter, and BD is x meter, so EC will also x meter. Now here in the diagram we have got two right triangle. One is ACE and other is CDB. So now we are going to solve the question. First of all, in triangle CDB, when we apply tan 45, tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base, so it will be equal to CD upon DB. Value of tan 45 is 1, CD is given to us 7 meter, and DB we have assumed x meter. So after cross multiplication we got x equal to 7 meter. Now in triangle ACE, tan 60 degree will be perpendicular upon base. Value of tan 60 is √3. AE, total height was h. If this portion is 7, this will be h minus 7. So AE we will take h minus 7, and CE is equal to x. Cross multiplication, √3x will be h minus 7. Now from equation 1 we can use the value of x, that will be 7. So √3 into 7 is h minus 7. Now this 7 will be shifted to this side, so √3 7 plus 7 is equal to h, or we can say h will be, we can take 7 common, so it become √3 plus 1 meter. So height of cable tower will be 7 into √3 plus 1 meter. This is the final answer.